a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today it's so beautiful and sunny out that it's put me in the mood for a nice winter salad. So I'm going to do my favourite, which is orange and fennel, but as you normally use black olives and red onion in the traditional Sicilian one, I'm going to change things up a little. I'm just going to use a regular onion and some wonderful pomegranate, which is another great winter product that's going to go really well with the orange and the fennel. And rather than olives, I'm going to use capers. And to make the dressing a little bit more punchy, I'm going to add a little mustard. So it's going to be citrus, good quality olive oil and mustard. A little bit of salt and pepper. That's all I'm going to need, and I'm going to have a wonderful light lunch. If you enjoy this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below, pass on the word to your friends, and follow me for more. Let's eat. For today's recipe you are going to need fennel, orange, onion, mustard, capers and pomegranate.